Ever wondered if Hamster Kombat mining can actually make you real money, or if it's all hype? In this video, we're diving deep with hard facts, revealing the real earning potential, and showing you exactly what you can expect. Whether you're aiming for $70, $100, or dreaming bigger, I'm bringing you the numbers, the proof, and everything you need to know before the massive airdrop on September 26th. Stay tuned, because this might just be the biggest crypto payout in history, or a major letdown. Let's find out together. Let's cut through the noise and find out whether this is a legitimate opportunity or simply another overhyped project. Trust me, you'll want to watch this video until the end to set your expectations right. This is just part 1 because I don't want to overload you with too much info in one go, but there's more to come, so make sure you stay tuned. First off, we need to address the bold claims floating around. Some people are saying Hamster Kombat mining can make you enough money to buy a new phone or even more. But the question is, can you really make that much? Or is it all just a bunch of hot air? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and walk you through the receipts, so you know exactly what to expect. Now, mark your calendars, because September 26th is the day Hamster Kombat is set to get officially listed on the OKX exchange. I've mentioned this before in previous videos, but just to remind you, OKX is locked in, and it's happening on the 26th. Does this mean we're all about to strike it rich? Not necessarily. While the listing on OKX is a big step, there are still plenty of factors to consider. What about other major exchanges? I truly believe other major exchanges will follow suit and list Hamster Kombat. But it's important to keep in mind the history of crypto projects. Take, for example, the Dogs project. It had solid backing, support from blockchain enthusiasts, and a strong Telegram community. But Hamster Kombat? This one kind of popped up out of nowhere, gained a lot of hype, and here we are. It's gone viral, but the big question remains, what's the substance behind it? Yes, Hamster Kombat has daily tasks, rewards, combo bonuses, and more cool features in the playground section, but the real question is, what can you actually withdraw? That's what really matters. All the YouTube ad revenue and other streams are great, but the focus here is on your profit potential. Same question asked by one of our subscribers Isa Tahir 585, what are we withdrawing? Is it from the coin balance or the profit per hour? Now, here's where things get really interesting. Did you know the Hamster Kombat community is massive? We're talking about 300 million strong. Yup, you heard that right. If we imagine that they give out an average withdrawal of $25 to each user, that would amount to a total payout of $7.5 billion. Yes, billion. That's a staggering number and could potentially make this the biggest airdrop in crypto history. But let's be realistic for a moment. Even if we assume the average payout is just $10 per user, we're still talking about $3 billion in total payouts. And if we drop it down further, to an average of $5 per user, we're still looking at $1.5 billion distributed to the community. Is this really going to happen? You have to ask yourself, is this realistic? Will you really be part of the biggest crypto payout ever, or is it just another pipe dream? I'm not here to tell you what to think, just giving you the facts and numbers so you can decide for yourself. Even if we factor in inactive accounts and reduce the payout potential, we're still talking about billions in distribution. But here's the kicker, Hamster Kombat doesn't have major backing, no big name partners, and aside from OKX, Bybit and Crypto.com, no other major exchanges have listed it yet. And that's where the risk lies. If big exchanges like Binance don't pick it up, that could be a major red flag, impacting the potential profits. At this point, we're still missing one crucial piece of information, the token supply. Without knowing how many tokens will be in circulation, we can't accurately predict the market cap or the listing price. But once that info is out, you can bet I'll make another video breaking it all down. In the meantime, if you're serious about maximizing your profits with Hamster Kombat, check out my previous videos. I've already shared plenty of tips and tricks on how to stay ahead of the game. These strategies could be the key to maximizing your returns, so don't miss out. To sum it up, we could be on the verge of a massive airdrop, but it comes with its risks. Limited exchange listings and lack of solid backing are things to consider before getting your hopes too high. But personally, I'm even more bullish about their NFTs than the airdrop itself. While I can't say for certain if NFTs are coming, it would make sense for Hamster Kombat to introduce them, especially given the growing trend in the gaming and crypto space. So, whether you love or hate NFTs, keep an eye on Hamster Kombat's next moves. Regardless of what happens, I'll be here to cover it all with daily updates and videos. Finally, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more legit crypto insights. My goal is to help you navigate this crazy hamster world and find the real opportunities. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Love you guys.